Turn to oil, and OPEC says demand growth for oil is significantly slowing. The energy group has issued a downward revision of its outlook of over 110 million barrels per day by 2040. And it's citing a challenging year for energy markets, what they describe as signs of stress in the world economy. CNN's John Defterios spoke to the OPEC Secretary General.
The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has reiterated times without number its continued commitment not only to OPEC, but in providing the leadership to this organization. And we have also heard from the highest levels of government in the kingdom that the IPO will not in any way impact on their membership or the leadership role that they provide within OPEC.
The world oil outlook that you've put out here still shows market share for oil and gas by 2040 at 53%, just dropping 1%. What makes you believe in an energy transition you can hold on to that level of market share?
These are the facts. These are the hard data that go into these projections, and we are not alone in these projections. If you look at the IEA in Paris or the EIA in Washington and other reputable institutions, oil and gas will continue to dominate the energy mix to 2040.
In this scenario, at the end of the day, you're suggesting, though, that OPEC goes total liquids with crude production from 36 million barrels a day now to 44 million barrels a day by 2040. It's not the shale producers that went out, but the OPEC producers who have a lower base.
OPEC will continue to serve as the base load for global energy requirements. The shale producers, in particular in the United States, have done extremely well in the last several years to revolutionize this industry. And we are beginning to see deceleration as we go into the medium term. I think it's a growing consensus that going beyond the medium term, the world will revert back to the conventional oil, the producers mainly in OPEC, who account for over 80% of global proven reserves.
You say there's no planet B, i.e. there's no plan B for the world itself and the environment. How do you get away from the fact that most people think that's jargon from the Secretary General and not the real deal?
All members of OPEC are developing countries. We live the impact of climate change on a daily basis in our countries. And therefore, there are no climate deniers here in OPEC. Internationally, we have also engaged with the international community in the Paris Agreement to jointly combat climate change.